This is Cookin' in Brooklyn with Danny Milano, and I'm Danny Milano, and today we're cooking a filet mignon in a creamy Marsala wine sauce. But before we get to that, please, just a reminder, like and subscribe to the Bridgeside Network. But enough of the business aspect. Let's get down to what we really came here for today, and that's cooking. Hey, go Bridgeside! So let's get a flame going here. We got our frying pan. Start off with a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna grab our mushrooms, throw these right into the pan. All right, so we're just gonna let our mushrooms cook, but I am gonna add a little bit of salt while they're sauteing. While that's cooking, let's grab our steak. That's a nice piece of filet mignon. And what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna throw a little bit of olive oil onto the steaks. I'm gonna throw a little bit of salt onto the steaks. Then we're just gonna kind of massage the steak a little bit. A little deep massage. Mushrooms are just about ready. Give it another 30, 40 seconds. Let's turn our flame off. And let's head out back and cook our steaks. All right, so let's open this grill up. Let's throw these steaks onto the grill. That's such a beautiful sound. All right, let's close this up and let these steaks cook for a bit.
What's going on over here? I know I smell something cooking.
Dave, you got impeccable timing. Got some filet mignon on the grill for you. A little steak for the beefcake.
Where was the phone call?
I knew you were gonna smell it. You got the nose of a hound dog. Casanova, why don't you come on over?
Oh, I didn't like that. What's going on with the Roma sweater? I thought you were a Napoli fan.
I am a Napoli fan, and my family in Italy will probably crucify me if they've seen this, but I don't want to get my Napoli gear all dirty. This is like a cooking smock to me. I can care less about this.
All right, good. Let me see the steaks. Dan, how long is this going to take over here?
Give or take, I'd say like 6-7 minutes, because then we got to throw it back in the pan. It's going to cook in the Marsala sauce as well.
6 to 7 minutes on each side?
No, 6 to 7 minutes. 2 minutes, 3 minutes on one side, 2-3 minutes on the other side.
Okay.
Mathematics, Dave. All right, so the barbecue did us justice. We're done with our first part. Now we're gonna take these steaks back inside and we're gonna cook them in some Marsala wine sauce. Before we cook this, let's get this garbage sweater off. Throw that shit on the floor. And let's start cooking. So I got this pan, we're gonna throw it over here. Got some chicken broth, which we're gonna heat up right now. All right, we got some butter over here and we're gonna throw that into the pan. Incoming. We're gonna butter up this pan.
Butter always makes things better.
Then we got some flour over here, which we're gonna throw right into the butter.
What does the flour do to the dish?
It's gonna help kind of thicken up the sauce a little bit. We got some Marsala wine, which we're gonna pour in. We're gonna mix that around so the flour doesn't kind of clump up. We got our mushrooms that we sauteed before, and we're gonna throw that right into the sauce. Mix that around. Then I'm just gonna add a little pinch of salt. We're gonna add a little bit of chicken broth right into that. Then we got a little heavy cream that we're gonna throw in.
How much heavy cream do you put in?
Say about 1/4 cup. And then we're gonna mix this up a little bit. Last but not least, we're gonna throw the filet mignon into the sauce. All right, we're just gonna flip these around.
So good.
Then we got some fresh pepper. And me personally, I like a lot of fresh pepper. I think it adds great flavor into the cream sauce.
And it's healthy.
And it's healthy, Dave. We're gonna let this cook for about a minute, and then it's ready to serve, Mr. Casanova. Now, as you can see, the sauce is nice and thick. Getting back to the flour, the heavy cream and the butter also helped out with that. All right, Dave, I think we're ready to go here. This is done. It's time to serve.
Thank God, because the smell has been torture.
Steak. All right, we're gonna pour these mushrooms and the sauce right on top of the steak. Just a little bit more fresh pepper right on top. And there you have it, filet mignon and a creamy Marsala wine sauce. And now it's time for my favorite part of the show. We're gonna feed Mr. Casanova, and I got to watch his facial expressions.
This also happens to be my favorite part of the show. Look at this masterpiece. I almost don't even want to touch it.
Just eat it.
Wow.
Wow, wow. What's wow?
The sauce is so creamy. I think that the Marsala and the heavy cream is a match made in heaven.
A little spice from the fresh pepper.
Black pepper definitely gives it a kick. You never let me down. Thank you so much. This dish is absolutely delicious.
And I will continue not to let you down. And I will do it over and over again. Just as long as you guys keep watching. This has been another Cookin' in Brooklyn. Keep watching or we will find you.
Go Bridgeside.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the Bridgeside Network. And don't miss, next episode we're making veal piccata al limone with capers and artichoke hearts.